This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remax Ability Plus. Check out this 3-bedroom plus loft in popular Walker Farms. Kitchen with tile backsplash, countertop bar and plenty of 42-in cabinets. Separate breakfast area all open to the great room with 9-feet ceilings, pantry and separate laundry room. All kitchen appliances stay. Upstairs features the second living/play area, the spacious master suite west/garden bath, double vanities, separate shower and wonderful walk-in closet and ample-sized second and third bedrooms. Garage has epoxy floor with mini built-in for organized storage. Have fun entertaining family and friends out back with a fire pit.